chest of 1,000 grogs on captains indtil videre herfra.
Okay.
So this is one hell of a message in a bottle.
Hey! Really? Det var sådan sådan.
Ja, han gunpowder barrel på vej om nu.
Snart gør det så simpelt på. Fuck it, jeg sejler rundt om øen.
Deres anker er nede.
Okay, jeg kommer. Men jeg er på vej rundt om øen. Jeg skal nok komme med alligevel. Fuck. Skyder øen på dem.
Ved jeg ikke.
Jeg skyder ikke på dem. Ja, det gør den.
De sank.
Jeg har ikke engang gjort noget.
They're about to sink.
They're cooked.
They're gonna hit mid.
Little D.
Dude, stop killing
Raise the
us!
sail. Raise it. Raise it.
No.
Raise it.
On a boat.
Dude, you're so good.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Stroke my ego.
Man, you guys are awesome. Camp a boat.
And off the
Fuck yeah. Stroke my ego.
Fun doing nothing, faggot.
Stroke my ego.
I'm so good at this game.
Get back here.
Get away from me, uncle, you rapist.
Suck a dick.
Suck my dick.
No, you gotta suck my dick.
I got that. Jeg er lige på dem.
Det er en anden slug.
Yep. De har noget godt shit. You got booty, my boy.
Oh my god, this guy can't shoot for shit. Why is he shooting me? Oh, fuck off! looking at him, hot this guy.
Thank you for stroking my ego this much. I'm really happy for it. Okay, sloop med under kontrol.
Yes. Kan du synge den? Det kan du lige.
But
Og sådan lige ned. Så er der andre passivt herude.
you are a fucking stupid little prick.
Me?
Yeah, fuck you, you tosser.
Oh, okay. I mean, you didn't go for a fort just to have fun with friends, didn't you? Jeg kan fucking høre en af deres mikrofoner bare.
Det var
Oh yeah, that was real sneaky there, boy. That was real sneaky. Now look at this cannon.
Oh, you missed me! You missed me! You missing me, bitch!
That's like standing behind a wall and saying, "Oh, you can't hit me."
Jeg har ingenting.
What the fuck have we done wrong to you, you little tosser?
You're going for a fort. That means fight, bitch boy. Let's go.
Actually, we didn't do nothing. We was going to the outpost, and you fucking killed us.
Yeah, you had loot on board.
What the fuck are you doing?
You had loot on board. I
Doesn't
wanted your
fucking
loot.
matter. What the fuck did we do wrong to you, you little prick?
We wanted your loot. You did nothing wrong. We just wanted your loot.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? What did
Yeah.
we do fucking wrong to you?
I just told you
Really?
didn't do nothing wrong. I just wanted your loot.
Right. That's your name, innit?
Yeah, that's my
Uncle
name.
of- Right?
Yeah.
Right. Getting reported to Microsoft now.
For what?
What? I'll fucking give you what?
No, I said for what? Well, why are
Doesn't
you
fucking
reporting
matter.
me?
I'll tell you something. You're not going to be on Xbox anymore.
Oh, okay. Why? Why though?
Or PC, because I'll just find your address now.
Oh, okay, okay. Tough dude.
Yeah. Fuck off, prick.
I.
What the fuck? Oh god.